Sir, up to this we covered how you can apply customized sorting for the tree set with the lambda expressions, right? Okay, now why don't you apply lambda expressions concept for the map also? Same lambda expression, how you can able to define customized sorting for the tree map? Observe that. Sir, in the case of map, if you want customized sorting, if you want sorting, then our hand should go for tree map concept. Remember this one, our hand should go for tree map concept, right? Tree map always meant for sorting order. Key value pairs will be inserted according to sorting order of keys. Remember this one, sorting is always based on the key but not based on the value by default. Okay, now my question is how to create tree map object. Observe that carefully, sir. Here I am taking tree map of here integer comma string. Tree map of integer comma string. T is equal to new tree map of integer comma string, sir. Integer comma string, like this I am taking. Here observe, this tree map can hold key values where key is what type? Integer type. Value is what type? String type. Remember this one. By default, tree map is always meant for default natural sorting order of keys, because here we are not passing any comparator object as the argument. If you are not passing comparator object as the argument, then default natural sorting order by default will be there. Sir, default natural sorting order for integer means what? Alphabetical order. I hope you aware. Integer means ascending order, right? Now let me consider tree map of integer comma string m is equal to integer comma string. Tree map of integer comma string. Sir, I am not passing any argument. If you are not passing any argument, default natural sorting order. Default natural sorting order for the integers keys is nothing but ascending order, right? Now 100 Durga. 100 is the key, Durga is the value. 600 Sunny. 300 Bunny. 200 Chinny. Like this I have, sir. Okay, like, can you please tell SOP of M? What is the answer, sir? Curly brace open. Curly brace open. Ascending order of keys 100, 600, 300, 200, 700, 400. 100 is going to come. 100 is equal to Durga. First one, sir. 100 is equal to Durga. Next one, 200 is equal to Chinny. 200 is equal to Chinny. Next, 300 is equal to Bunny. 300 is equal to Bunny, like. Next, 400 is equal to Pinny. 400 is equal to Pinny, like this. Next, sir, have you observed? Is there anywhere 400 completed? 600, 700. 600 is Sunny. Are you getting? 600 is the Sunny. Last one, 700 is nothing but Winnie. By default, we are going to get. Are you getting? Sir, according to ascending order of the keys, by default we are going to get, sir. Observe that according to ascending order of keys, by default we are going to get. Is it clear for all of you, right? Okay. Sir, now I don't want this default natural sorting order. I want a customized sorting order. How you can define with lambda expression? Same concept. Whatever we applied for array list, whatever we applied for the tree set, same concept we can apply for the tree map also. That part I will discuss. Let me execute up to this, right? Observe that a bit carefully, sir. Here tree map of integer string m is equal to new tree map of integer comma string m dot put 100 Durga, 600 Sunny, 300 Bunny, 200 Chinny, something like this, right? SOP of m. Are you getting SOP of m, like this, right? Now let me compile. Let me run. Have you observed, right? What is the output by default we are going to get, sir? 100 Durga, 200 Chinny, 300 Bunny, like this by default we are going to get, sir. According to ascending order of keys, observe 100, 200, 300, 400, sir, next 600, next 700, like according to ascending order of keys by default will be there. Everyone can able to understand, right? Sir, I don't want default natural sorting order. I want customized sorting order. How you can, sir? I want a descending order of keys. I want a descending order of keys. How you can? Just here to the constructor, you require to pass comparator object. Are you getting? We require to pass which objects are? Comparator object. Sir, wherever comparator is there, happily we can use lambda expression because comparator is the functional interface. I covered already, right? Yes. Can you please tell what is the way, sir? I1 comma I2. Assume that these are the keys, these are the arguments to compare method. Okay, sir, like now if I1 greater than I2, sir, question mark, sir, bigger value should come before, that's why -1 colon. If this is not greater, then automatically I1 less than I2. If I1 less than I2, this is the smaller value should come after, that's why, so after means 1 positive number, otherwise 0. Sir, the same lambda expression we are using multiple times. Are you getting? We are not required to use class, my comparator, implements and so on. Instead of that thing, directly you can use the lambda expression, right? Observe that carefully, sir. Can you please guide? What is the lambda expression I have to take here? Please guide. Please guide. I1 comma I2. These are the arguments to compare method. Internally I1 and I2 are keys, right? Now, what is the first one I have to take? If I1 greater than I2, which value I have to return, sir? Minus, because bigger value should come at the beginning only. Next, I1 less than I2. If I1 less than I2, sir, I have to take +1. Otherwise, I have to return 0. Are you getting? So, if it is the bigger, I1 is the bigger than I2, bigger value should come first, that's why -1. Sir, else if I1 is the smaller than I2, then automatically smaller value should come before, smaller value should come after, that's why 1. Sir, it is not greater, it is not smaller means equal, equal means return 0, automatically treated as duplicate, sir. Now, have a look once, let me pass here. Let me pass this one. If I pass lambda expression, yeah, the constructor argument, what is the output by default we are going to get, sir? Observe that carefully. Yes, 700, 700, 600, 400, 300, 200, 100 by default. So, earlier we are getting ascending order of keys, but now we are getting descending order of keys. That's why, sir, how cute it is. Just we have to write how much lines of the code? Just only one line. We are not required to write separate class, my comparator and so on. Are you getting right? So, lambda expressions concept applicable for the TreeMap or not? Why, man? Why not? Happily it's going to be applicable, no problem at all. If you feel comfortable up to this, I hope. Yes. Are you feeling comfortable? But anyway, you should have clear collections knowledge must be required. Then only you can able to understand, right? Okay. Don't worry about that. Just once you start coding, then you can able to get much clarity, right? Okay. If you feel comfortable, then how you can apply this lambda expression sorting technique for our employee objects, for our own customized objects, how you can able to apply that part I will discuss, right? Okay. That's all.